Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into creative photography. Today, we will discuss the intriguing dance between our right and left brains in Impressionist photography. So if you are ready to embrace your artistic side, stick around because you are in for a treat. Impressionist photography allows us to balance our analytical thinking and emotional expression. It's the perfect fusion of intellect and intuition, technique and artistry. In today's video, we will explore this fascinating balance and how it empowers us to capture the world through a lens of pure creativity. Now, let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. The right brain versus the left brain. The left brain is often associated with analytical thinking, precision, and technical competence. This side of our brain helps us to understand the rules of photography, like exposure settings, composition, and sharpness. The left brain is the logical side, guiding us to create technically perfect shots. However, Impressionist photography isn't about rigid rule or pixel-perfect sharpness. It's about emotion and mood. This is where our right brain comes into play. It's the intuitive, emotional, and artistic side. In Impressionist photography, the right brain guides us to capture the essence of a moment, conveying feelings, not just visual data. Impressionist photography invites us to strike a beautiful balance between our left and right brains. It challenges us to blend technical competence with artistic freedom, transforming our photographs into art. It's all about capturing that fleeting moment when emotion and vision align perfectly. By embracing the essence of Impressionist photography, we can turn everyday scenes into masterpieces. We take the knowledge from our left brain and let our right brain set it free, creating an image that's not just a picture, but a personal expression. A fundamental element of Impressionist photography involves employing particular techniques. Take selective focus, for example. By using a shallow depth of field, we guide the viewer's eye to what truly matters in the image. It's a technical choice, but it's also a profoundly artistic one. Let's look at another technique. Motion blur transcends the mere act of capturing movement. When you employ motion blur creatively, you are not merely recording a scene by infusing it with your personal interpretation, emotions, and distinctive perspective. While selective focus guides the viewer's eye to a specific point of interest, motion blur adds a layer of emotional depth to the entire scene. It's the perfect fusion of technical competence and artistic expression. This is where the true essence of Impressionist photography comes to life. In this art form, it's all about letting your right brain take the lead, allowing your imagination to guide you. It's about forging a deep emotional connection with your subject and capturing what you feel, going beyond the visual aspects. Imagine standing in front of misty forest at dawn, your camera in hand. Your right brain has no preset vision, no specific shot in mind. Instead, you are feeling your way through the scene, relying on your instinct to guide you. It's not just about the trees and the fog. It's about nature's quiet, mystical presence that envelopes you, a feeling you want to share with the world. We are not seeking perfect clarity. We are chasing the play of light and shadow, the emotions of the moment. We don't know what we are going to capture, but that's the beauty of it. Or consider a bustling cityscape. In the heart of the city, life is a dynamic mosaic of colors and shapes. Your right brain doesn't demand crisp details. It yearns for the nuances and subtleties that make each moment unique. You can let go of expectations and embrace the blur and abstraction. The results are often surprising and poetic. These are the moments when Impressionist photography allows you to transcend the ordinary and share extraordinary stories. It's not just about what's in front of your lens, but what's within your heart, waiting to be told. Impressionist photography allows us to merge the intellect of our left brain with the intuition and artistic expression of our right brain. It's a delightful journey of capturing moments not bound by technical perfection, but rich with emotions, mood, and a sense of wonder. So the next time you pick up your camera, don't just aim to take a photograph. Aim to create an impressionist masterpiece. Let your right brain guide you and embrace the poetic imperfections of the moment. The world is full of impressions waiting to be captured. All you have to do is feel your way through them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more photography inspiration, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy shooting!